Left leg goes back, left circle. We have to make a circle from the left side. Left hand will be like this, right hand will be like this. Left leg goes back, right leg is in the front, arm and leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tighten, tight up, down, cut back, tight, down, tighten, tight up.